Hi, this is Dr. G, and today I wanted to talk a little bit about the medical marijuana program from my180md.com. That's my180md.com. We provide New York State medical marijuana evaluation and certification online. So what you would do is go to my180md.com and make an account, log into that account. There you'll be able to see my schedule and schedule yourself an appointment with me. I'm on the New York State Department of Health's website as a physician registered to certify patients for medical marijuana. Now, you're going to need several things to get certified for medical marijuana. You're going to have a New York State photo ID. It could be driver license or non-driver license. You're going to have to provide the $250 fee for the certification, which is at or below the going rate. Now, you have to take into consideration that you don't have to come to the office. You don't have to waste time traveling and waiting and wasting gas, time, and energy in that regard. The other thing you're going to have is some kind of documentation that you have the condition that you are requesting medical marijuana for. Now, mind you, we're not asking permission from any doctor. I make that decision for medical marijuana, but I need to see some record that you have a condition. Now, the New York State laws are very particular when it comes to medical marijuana, and they have certain approved conditions such as pain. It could be chronic or severe pain, cancer, inflammatory bowel disease like Crohn's disease or ulcerative colitis, epilepsy, MS, multiple sclerosis, Huntington's disease, HIV or AIDS. Now, there are associated conditions with these conditions such as nausea, muscle spasms, wasting syndrome, seizures. So if you think you qualify for one of these conditions, now I understand it may help, medical marijuana may help a plethora of conditions which you may have or not have. Those are the conditions that New York State recognizes at this time. So I get a lot of questions about PTSD. Is PTSD covered? No, it's not covered right now, but it's going in that direction. They voted on it. The State Assembly did very positively, so we're waiting some good news on that. However, at this point in time, those are the approved New York State conditions. So chronic or severe pain right there opens up a wide variety of conditions for which medical marijuana is indicated. So again, if you think you have one of those conditions I just mentioned, and you can upload documents to the website and make an account, by all means, feel free to do so at my180md.com. At the top of each of the web pages, because I do other things besides certify people for medical marijuana online, but anyway, at the top of every page, you'll see an icon that says Request an e-visit. You hit that icon, and it will bring you to a login page where you're prompted to set up an online account. So again, you're going to need New York State photo ID or a driver license or non-driver license, but New York State issued photo ID. You're going to need from an MD or other healthcare professional. It doesn't have to be from New York State, but documenting that you've had a condition, one of the approved conditions that meets the New York State medical marijuana requirements. You're also going to need the fee of $250. That usually gets you 1 year of certification. In certain people, I need to reevaluate them every 6 months or 3 months or 4 months, depending on your risk status. But that's generally what we're talking about. If you can provide all the documentation, I can get you certified usually the same day. Again, the website is my180md.com. This is Dr. Goldsmith. I personally will see you online. It's 100% HIPAA compliant, and it's a secure HD video link. So you don't have to feel threatened that your information's floating out there in cyberspace. Also, your credit card will not be charged until you are seen. Now, if I can't get you certified and it's my issue, you pay nothing. Okay, but realize you have to have certain ducks in a row and you have to provide certain documentation or it's going to hold up the process. Again, this is Dr. G from my180md.com. Thank you.